I just did a workout and showered, and I need to blow dry my hair before I can go out for the day. Oh yeah, I need to take this off. I've been trying this new brand of these collagen eye patches, and I really like this one. So for today's vlog, I want to do a what I eat in a day living in Seoul. And starting off with my favorite breakfast, granola, yogurt, and fruit. The only fruit I really have is cranberries because fruit is expensive here in Korea. Okay, I'm gonna go blow dry my hair and then get ready because I have a whole day planned in my favorite neighborhood, Mangwon. Also, today is going to be a solo day in the city. So Mike is on a trip. All of my friends are busy, which like never happens. So I'm gonna be doing whatever I want today alone, which can be difficult for me because I'm very extroverted and very social. I think my MBTI is ESFP, the entertainer one. So taking a day just to myself is very rare, but I'm trying to do things alone and enjoy my own company. Finish my breakfast. Let's go get ready. Hotteok is my favorite. Oh my god, it's burning hot. I got this so I could eat it while I wait in line for my next food. I want to get some kalguksu, some noodles. Oh, so hot.
아니 여기 얘기한 거 아니야? 서현 지역에 강하다. Okay, that was so filling. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm gonna eat for hours. That was really, really good though. Very warm and cozy. The only thing I want to eat right now is soup, just because it's so cold. Okay, now that I have food in me, let's go shopping. I am so cold. Okay, I'm trying to go to my favorite cafe. We'll see if there's a seat available. Holy cow, it's cold. If you're not in the sun, it's freezing. 아, 뭐 시골에 뭐가 왔어. Yeah, that was really, really cold. So I'm very happy to be back home. I'm gonna chill for a little bit, maybe have a little snack later. I still need to eat my strawberry tart that I got from Always August. It feels so good to be home when it's so cold outside. Just so cozy. Hello. Okay, let me turn this down. My friends and I decided to go out tonight. So I'm getting hyped listening to, I love all these, I'm listening to these like dance hall DJs. They just get me excited about like going out. We're gonna go to a dakgalbi place, which is like cheesy chicken. And then maybe check out some bars, maybe a club, go dancing. But yeah, I'll take you along.